My name is Curtis Matthews, and I am president of Bullinose Inc., which is the parent company of Frank's Ice. Bullinose goes back to 1948. We run a grocery store. We've always sold ice. Ice was a major item for us. We were never one to overpay for ice, so we thought we would get in the business of making it. And it started out as just making it for ourselves. And when we started getting local customers, everybody was asking for us to be their supplier.
Well, Frank's Ice, during COVID, they called me up on a Thursday and said, hey, we want to talk about building an ice plant. And I said, I'll be down there next Tuesday. So we went, met him, and we started discussing what they wanted in the ice plant and started from there.
We met directly with Curtis and Frank. From there, they kind of described what they were looking for.
We had the whole team, and that's what appealed to Frank and them. And of course, our capabilities with our engineering group and our install group is what really brought them to this. So one of the questions I asked of them, I said, why are you choosing us? Do I need to give you a list of references? He said, no, I already know all about you.
Their technology seems to be top-notch. So I think the biggest thing is the security of having the layers of knowledge and support there in case things do go wrong, because if things go wrong, it's when you need the ice the worst. So.
This plant has Vogt, all stainless steel, ice makers, liquid recirculators, Matthias and screw conveyors, 94-ton Keith walking floor.
The bagging machines, we got the 525 with the Hamer 125 tires. And then it feeds to our Hamer robot. And then we got 2 shrink wrappers. We got the dual bays, so when it finishes one pallet, it goes to the next.
The ice is fully sanitary and clean. It goes from the machine straight to the bag without any interference with human. There's no touching of the ice, no handling of the ice.
Our freezer is right at 10,000 square feet. We stack 3 high. We can hold 1,500 pallets.
All the controls are central that we designed just for our plants. They're modern design. So that's one thing they wanted, being a remote plant. They wanted to be able to have, knowing what's going on. If anything shuts down the plant, they can get on their phones, they can see what's going on, see what's running.
We can monitor it remotely through a computer or through an iPhone. We can start up, we can shut down, see alarms, errors, or whatever problems we may have. It takes a lot of the worry out. Before we didn't even know an ice machine was down till the next morning when you come in. Now I get an alert on a phone or a computer that tells me I got a problem, whether it needs to be addressed right then or whether it's something that can wait till the next day. You at least know about your problems before you walk in.
We have all the capabilities that they need, engineering, design, contractors, the whole thing. But we do it all. We install everything that's part of your plant. They put their trust in us. So, they've already decided to expand, so we're adding another robot, more bagging lines. Future, we're going to add more ice makers. So we can do it all turnkey. And this is going to end up being their go-to plant.
We do have the facility built to be able to grow another 160 ton here. We're using them in our future build this winter as far as adding another robot and anything else that we would do in the future. I don't see any reason why I wouldn't use modern.